In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete ghost posts on Threads. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So by default, ghost posts are automatically deleted after 24 hours. But should you want to delete them before time, it's pretty simple. Just log into your Threads account and go to the profile icon here. Under profile, you can find your current ghost posts next to your profile icon here. Tap on it and you should see all the ghost posts that you have. Currently, I only have this one and it has 24 hours left, which means I've just published this like 2 minutes ago. To delete this permanently, just tap on these 3 lines next to it and you should see we have an option to delete. If I tap on delete, I'll confirm that indeed I want to delete, and this will delete and remove the ghost post. As you can see now, I no longer have a ghost post or ghost post under my Threads account. So if I go back, you can see it is empty. So that's how you can find and delete your ghost posts on your Threads account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.